Hey man, say man, $16. Better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You didn't goddamn saying, boy. Today, a little later on this evening, we got a little car meet going on. We're gonna be popping out too. I'm gonna go ahead, wash the car real quick, get it all nice and looking clean, and then run a couple little errands, and then we'll be going popping out to that car meet. So if you know, I got the AMS lower down pipe. I did the unboxing video, and I will be getting that installed on by Infiniti. So you'll be seeing that video coming out shortly. So keep tapping in on that. And then right now, like I said, I'm heading over to meet this guy to see if he actually want to purchase my CBR 600. I got it listed at a good little price to make a profit, and we're gonna see how it goes. If not, I mean, I don't mind. I'll just keep my bike. But I am trying to get things set in stone. So in the next couple months, me and my fiance were making a couple big moves. So I'm just trying to get everything lined up so we can do everything. And I'll let you know exactly what that is, you know, later on this year. Yeah, so we went ahead, sold the bike, man. So y'all let me know on the channel what kind of second car we should get. Like I said, the BMW M340, got the Benz E63, the Mustang GT, or let me know if anything else y'all want I should get. You better tap in for it's goddamn too late, boy. It's the last ride I had with it, man. I had good time with this bike. So like I said, we went ahead, sold the CBR 600. It was a great bike. Had a real good times with it. Y'all let me know in the comments, man, what kind of car we should get next, though. It ain't gonna be for a few months, but just let me know what y'all thinking I should get. Mustang GT, M340, or E63 Benz. Or let me know if something else y'all might want to see me in. If you seen the last video, we went ahead and painted these calipers. They look really good. So later on this evening, we got a car meet we going to. It's gonna be popping probably. So right now, we're shooting over to the goddamn Good Enough car meet. I went ahead and seen Booster Motion, went ahead and grabbed the C63 AMG as well. That's crazy because I've been looking at that same spec. I was looking at that same spec he got, the 2016-17 or the 2018 with the facelift. So let me know in the comments, should I go C63? Should I go M340? Or should I go Mustang GT? So let me know in the comments what I should go here soon. So right now, we're walking over to the main lot. It was so packed here, we had to park over there in the back lot just to get over here and walk over to the other lot. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's cracking in a second.
It's gotta be there.
70s style clips with the underglow. There you go, Michael McKenzie. That's my boy. That's exactly how he would have had it. Yeah.